Anhui Zhenda Brush Co. Limited, founded in 2002, is located in Qianshan, the Anhui Provincial Economic Development Zone, as well as the brush industry base in China. It is a national high-tech enterprise which integrates the business of research and development, production, sales. It has a registered capital of 8 million yuan and covers an area of 20,000 square meters. The company, with more than 10,000 buyers, mainly produces the road sweeper brush, wafer brush, floor scrubber brush, strip brush, polishing brush, industrial brush roller, wire brush, drill brush, cow brush, solar panel cleaning brush, car cleaning brush, and so on. Our products are popular at home and abroad market, setting up branches in Beijing, Shanghai, and Hefei. Our company has introduced the products to the embassies, economic and commercial counselors' offices of 14 countries around the world. The company also actively participated in domestic and international exhibitions. The company has established Industry University Research Cooperation Center and United Laboratory through cooperation with Hefei University of Technology, Anhui University, Anhui Jianzhou University. The company is committed to the research of physical and chemical properties of materials and innovation and optimization of the preparation process of materials. The company's high-quality products have the properties of high toughness, wear resistance, and non-flammability, also including 70 patents. Excellent abilities of product development, design, and production have laid a solid foundation for product sales and ensured the sustainable development of domestic and foreign trade.